If you've ever wanted to streamline conversation and community building on Telegram, linking your group to a channel is the way to go. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to connect a group to your Telegram channel, so your announcements and content get automatically shared as discussion threads, keeping your audience engaged, organized, and informed. Let's get started. Now, this process is only possible if you're the owner of both the Telegram channel and the group that you want to link. If you're managing a community, it's likely you've set these up already. There's one important technical prerequisite to know: your group must be a supergroup, which is Telegram's enhanced format for larger communities. If your group been around for a while, don't worry. Telegram usually prompts you to convert a basic group into a supergroup, and you can double-check by opening your group's info to see if it says supergroup near the top. Once you're ready, open up your Telegram app and head straight to your channel. You'll want to tap on your channel name at the very top of the screen. This opens up the channel info page, which shows your member count, description, and other details. Right here, look for either the pencil icon or an edit button. Tapping this brings you into the administrative settings, where you can adjust everything from your channel photo to invite links. Take your time and double-check you're in the right channel if you manage more than one. It's easy to get channels mixed up if you run several communities. Next, it's time to make the connection. In the channel settings, scroll through the options until you spot one labeled discussion or sometimes discussion group. Telegram occasionally updates labels, so if you see something similar, that's probably it. Tap into this section and look for the option that says add a group or link group. Tapping here will pull up a list of all the groups you own. Just find the supergroup you want to use as the official discussion area and select it. Now here's a gentle heads up. After you select your group, Telegram will automatically add your channel as an administrator within that group. This is a behind-the-scenes step that makes the linking seamless and ensures the channel can cross-post its content. A confirmation message will pop up in the group chat, letting everyone know that the link was successful. If you're managing an active group, you might see curious reactions. That's a great time to remind members what's new. From now on, every post you make in your channel will be automatically forwarded into the linked discussion group, creating a dedicated thread for conversation. It's a bit like pinning a message in a chat, but way more efficient. Users can tap the forwarded message in the group to jump straight to the original channel post, which keeps everything clear and connected. This feature shines in real-world communities, whether you're running a club, sharing business updates, or building a fan base for creative content. And that's it. Linking your Telegram group to your channel is simple once you know where to look, and it really brings together your announcements with your community's voice. If you found this tutorial helpful, give the video a thumbs up. If you have any questions or want tips on growing your Telegram community, let me know in the comments below. And for more straightforward, actionable guides, make sure to hit subscribe so you don't miss the next one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.